Morning YouTube, welcome to Porsche Mechanics. This is just a quick video. Somebody has asked me, how do you get the rear windows up, the quarter lights on the convertible, I'm guessing to repair or replace your felt strips. Now obviously we're talking about Carrera C4S, so let me show you. It's quite straightforward and let's get on with it. Right, on the key, I'm doing mine on my remote control. Press the back button down and hold it. Keep the button down until the front windows come up, and that indicates the roof is fully open. Now to get, can you see that? Yeah. To get these quarter lights back up, what you need to do is simply put your key in, turn your ignition on, press your little toggle switch underneath your window switches to the rear, and then lift and it will come up. Now what people might be trying to do is the other way, which is if your windows are down, if you've got your front windows down, you will not be able to lift up the rear quarters. They won't come up on their own. They're not permitted to stand alone. They need your door mirror, your door window up. So we'll do that. And then basically you toggle switch to back, and then whatever side you're working on, and there you have it. That gives you your quarter window in the right position. Obviously you just got to work with the door open, and you can replace that strip if that's what you're after doing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. More stuff on the way. I've still got some paint issues to deal with, some little stone chips on the front, which I will be doing very shortly. And also I've got a lovely little leather kit which I intend to touch up some little marks I've got here and there on my leather. Anyway, thanks for watching. Porsche Mechanics signing off.